Alec Baldwin sues prosecutors, sheriff's office for malicious prosecution, civil rights violations in Russ shooting case. Alec Baldwin has sued prosecutors and sheriff's office officials over his treatment in the Russ shooting trial after he was exonerated. Alec Baldwin has sued the New Mexico prosecutors, sheriff's office officials, and others, claiming malicious prosecution and civil rights violations in a much-publicized trial over the Russ shooting incident. Alec Baldwin's lawsuit. The lawsuit was filed in a Santa Fe court on Thursday, following the dramatic dismissal of Baldwin's case during his July manslaughter trial in the New Mexico capital. The Russ shooting case was about the death of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins on the set of the film Rust, in which Baldwin was starring. Hutchins died after a live round fired from the gun in Baldwin's hand. In the trial, a judge ruled the prosecutor and sheriff's office withheld evidence on the source of a live round that killed cinematographer Halyna Hutchins. Baldwin's action against prosecutor Carrie Morrissey, Santa Fe County Sheriff's Office Corporal Alexandria Hancock, and others, is among at least a dozen civil lawsuits filed over Hutchins' death, which shocked Hollywood and sparked calls for an overhaul of firearms safety on movie sets. Baldwin's lawyers Luke Nickus and Heather LeBlanc demanded a jury trial to seek damages for malicious abuse of process, intentional spoliation of evidence, and defamation, among other complaints. Morrissey and the sheriff's office did not immediately respond to requests for comment. What is the Russ shooting case? The Ukrainian cinematographer, Halyna Hutchins, died when Baldwin pointed his pistol at her, cocked it, and possibly pulled the trigger as they set up a camera shot on a movie set near Santa Fe, New Mexico, according to his lawyers. The real gun, a reproduction 1873 single-action Army revolver, fired a live round inadvertently loaded by Hannah Gutierrez, the movie's weapons handler. Gutierrez was convicted of involuntary manslaughter in March and sentenced to 18 months imprisonment.